question, cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus b, then what is dy by dx value? So we want the dy by dx value. So first from this equation we take the value of x. What is x value? X is equal to cos y by cos of a plus y. Now doing the derivative with respect to y here, that is dx by dy is equals to, just we are doing the derivative with respect to y. Now this is u by v form. What is u by v derivative? v into u dash cos of a plus y into minus sin y minus u into v dash cos y into minus sin of a plus y, minus of minus becomes plus, plus sin of a plus y by v square cos square a plus y. Now this is equals to, so the value of dx by dy is equals to, now this is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, that is sin of a minus b, which is sin of a plus y minus y by cos square a plus y. Now here y and y gets cancelled, therefore the value of dx by dy is equals to sin a by cos square a plus y. But what we want, the question is dy by dx, means just to simply reverse this answer, then we get the answer cos square of a plus y by sin a, which is the first option. That's all. Simply just doing the derivative with respect to y and reverse the answer, then we get the required answer. That's all. That is the answer. Now the next question, y is equal to square root of a plus 3x plus 1 plus root over a plus 3x plus 1 plus root over a plus 3x plus 1 and so on infinity. Then what is dy by dx value? Very important sum and very easy problem. So which implies the value of y is equals to square root of a power 3x plus 1 plus, so just we close this value, then what we get, root a power 3x plus 1 plus root a power 3x plus 1 and so on up to infinity, which is nothing but the given quotient, that is y here. We replace y here in place of this total value, that is y is equal to root over a power 3x plus 1 plus y. Now squaring on both sides, then we get y square is equals to a power 3x plus 1 plus y, which implies the value of y square minus y is equals to a power 3x plus 1. Now what is the given question? Find the derivative dy by dx. Now doing the derivative, so 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx is equals to a power 3x plus 1 derivative a power 3x plus 1 into log a again 3x plus 1 derivative 3. That is the value of dy by dx is equals to 3 into a power 3x plus 1 into log a by, this is 2y minus 1. Taking dy by dx common here, then we get 2y minus 1. Writing that value to this end. So this is the required answer and this is the second option. Next question, sum number 27. X into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x is equal to 0. Then what is dy by dx value? So first I take the given equation here. We want the value of the dy by dx. So first I take the given equation and doing the simplification of this equation. That is x into root 1 plus y is equals to minus y into root 1 plus x. Now squaring on both sides, then we get x square into 1 plus y is equals to y square into 1 plus y. Now doing the product here, then we get x square plus xy is equals to y square plus xy square. Now writing all the terms to single side, x square plus xy minus y square minus x square plus x square y here, x square plus x square y minus y xy square equals to 0. Now x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. And x square y minus xy square means taking xy common here, then we get x minus y equals to 0. Now taking x minus y common here, x minus y into x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Already in the given question we have the text not equals to y. In the given question clearly given the text not equals to y. That is x minus y not equal to 0. So this value equal to 0. X plus y plus xy equal to 0. Then what is y value? Y is equals to minus x by 1 plus x. Now what is the derivative to this one? dy by dx is equals to direct formula. What is the derivative of the ax plus b by cx plus d? Answer is equals to ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. The derivative of this term is equals to ax plus b by cx plus d whole dash is equals to ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. Now what is the derivative of this one now? So this is minus x plus 0 by x plus 1. Now the question is in the form of minus x plus 0 by x plus 1. Now doing the derivative ad minus bc, that is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. That is the third option. Now this is the last question of the differentiation. So I completed the complete sums in the level 2 and level 3 from the differentiation in this material. So the students who will follow these problems will definitely attempt all the questions in the examination. So last question, listen. So I covered all the models in these videos from the differentiation. So the last question, f of x is equal to x plus square root of 1 minus x square, g of x is equal to x plus square root of 1 plus x square. Then what is the value of the d by dx of f circle g of x? So first we have to find the value of the f circle g of x, and what is the formula for that one? F of g of x, and that is f of what is g of x value? X plus square root of 1 plus x square. Now this is in the form of f of x, and what is f of x? Answer, x by square root of 1 minus x square. Now applying this formula to this one, that is x by, what is x value here? X by square root of 1 plus x square by square root of 1 minus x square. Again what is x here? X by square root of 1 plus x square, that is x square by 1 plus x square. Okay, this is f of x function, this is x value. Now in this function we are replacing this value in place of x, that is equals to, now doing the denominator cancellation, then we get x by square root of 1 plus x square minus x square. So this value is equals to only x. So f circle g of x is equal to only x. Now what is the given quotient? D by dx of f circle g of x. Now what is the derivative? D by dx of x is equals to 1. That is the answer, and this is the first option. That's all.